Russia has virtually stopped losing tanks on the front lines, likely due to its decision to cease using them in assault operations. OSINT researcher Richard Variker wrote about this on the social media platform X. According to his estimates, based on photos and videos available online, Russian forces lost 14 tanks in January and only 5 in February. By comparison, Russia lost 278 tanks in March 2022, the highest monthly total since the war began. I don't know why the numbers have dropped so much, but a combination of changing tactics on the battlefield and possibly less photos being shared as attention moves to Iran could be parts of it, the analyst writes. At the same time, Variker notes that the new T-90 tanks have completely disappeared from the casualty list. The last recorded loss of these tanks was 3 months ago. Earlier, Defense Express reported that the Ukrainian drone units had destroyed Russian Buk-M-1 air defense system and Nebo radar, as well as had downed Merlin VR UAVs. Ukrainian drone units from the Unmanned Systems Forces have struck several key Russian military assets in early March, including an air defense system and a long-range radar station. According to Ukrainian sources, between March 1st and March 13th, operators destroyed Russian Buk-M-1 surface-to-air missile system near Kurakov, as well as the Nebo 55 ZH-6 stationary radar located in temporarily occupied Crimea. The strikes are part of ongoing efforts to weaken Russia's air defense network, which Ukrainian forces often refer to as the enemy's air defense chain. Eliminating such systems opens gaps in detection and engagement coverage, making it easier for Ukrainian drones and other strike assets to operate deeper behind enemy lines. The Buk-M-1 system destroyed near Kurakov is a medium-range surface-to-air missile complex designed to protect troops and critical infrastructure from aircraft, cruise missiles, and UAVs. Its loss reduces Russian air defense coverage in a sector where intense combat operations continue. Another notable target was the Nebo 55 ZH-6 radar system in Crimea. This radar is designed for long-range detection of aerial targets and plays an important role in Russia's integrated air defense network by providing early warning and target tracking data. Ukrainian drone operators also reported the destruction of several Merlin VR reconnaissance UAVs over the area of Huliaipol. These aircraft were reportedly shot down by pilots of the 7th Battalion of the 414th Brigade. According to Ukrainian operators, 4 Merlin VR drones were destroyed within 4 days. Merlin drone is considered a high-level reconnaissance platform typically used for operational-level intelligence, often supporting command structures at the division or army level.